Good evening. First at 6, new details now emerging about a major story ABC News 4 first broke over the weekend. The husband of a missing West Ashley woman will be in court tomorrow morning, now charged with murdering a woman in New Jersey. Charleston County deputies were involved in arresting Robert McCaffrey Saturday in North Carolina, where he was living. He's now charged with the 1990 murder of Lisa McBride. He once was considered a suspect in the disappearance of his wife, Gayle McCaffrey, here in the Lowcountry. Tonight, we are now hearing from the former Charleston County sheriff who was in charge during the local investigation. Webb Wright has been following the latest on this case in New Jersey and what it means for the 14-year-old disappearance of Gayle McCaffrey in West Ashley. Webb.
That's right, Ashley. Bob McCaffrey says his wife, Gayle, left a farewell letter shortly after she disappeared on March 17, 2012. Investigators determined Bob forged that letter, and McCaffrey was eventually sentenced to 10 years in prison in 2019 for obstruction of justice related to that letter. He was released on supervised reentry in 2023. McCaffrey was also charged with murder in the case in 2018, but a grand jury failed to indict him because of a lack of evidence. Now there's hope these new developments could lead to a breakthrough in that 14-year-old local cold case.
He was not at all cooperative with us.
That's how former Sheriff Al Cannon remembers Bob McCaffrey during the investigation into Gayle McCaffrey's disappearance.
We had that initial interaction with him where he related the story that she had run off and had left him a note. Once that all sort of fell apart, that's when he clammed up. He was a pretty cold character.
McCaffrey was charged with murder, but a grand jury failed to indict based on a lack of evidence.
A lot of circumstantial evidence. Not being able to find her body was, I guess, enough to put questions in their mind as to whether or not he should be tried on that.
Now, with McCaffrey charged with murder in the death of Lisa McBride back in 1990, there are hopes that interagency communication between law enforcement here and in New Jersey might provide a breakthrough in Gayle's disappearance.
We spent a lot of time and effort searching. A lot of people put in a lot of time searching for her, but you know, no more than we had. Just an impossibility to cover all of the places that he could conceivably have disposed of her body. It's at least possible that at some point down the road he'd be more willing to share information that will help us locate her than he was first time around.
With McCaffrey now set to appear in front of a judge on Tuesday, Cannon hopes this can begin the process of finding peace for Gayle's family.
We're certainly hopeful that we'll be able to finally resolve and bring Gayle home and give her a proper burial.
Now, the latest information related to McCaffrey's arrest in North Carolina. According to the Nags Head Police Department, they conducted a motor vehicle stop on April 10th on McCaffrey and took him into custody. A search of his residence resulted in the recovery of 5 firearms. McCaffrey was charged with murder, kidnapping, and burglary. And according to court officials in North Carolina, where that arrest was made, McCaffrey was assigned a public defender and will have a hearing tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. Meanwhile, New Jersey officials tell us once he steps foot in the state, he'll have a preliminary hearing followed by a detention hearing 3 days later. Working for you, Webb Wright, News 4.